Hi dears, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about which boat gets how much. In one trip, the log boat brings about 20 kg of fish. Remember this? This is the quantity of fish, 20 kg by one trip. But other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in the table. The table also shows the speed of each type of boat, which is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. Look at the table and calculate. Here, 3 word problems are there. Before solving these word problems, let's have a read of this table. This is very important one. You should clearly read the given table. First, you should understand this table, that what things is given in this table. This is very important one. Okay. So, in this table, type of boat are given. Type of boat are given. Next column, catch of fish in one trip in kg. So, log boat catching the fish in one trip is only 20 kg. Long tail boat 600 kg, motor boat 800 kg and machine boat is 6000 kg. The last column, speed of the boat, how far it goes in 1 hour. Here are different types of boats and this is the speed of the different boats in 1 hour. The speed of log boat in 1 hour is 4 km per hour. The speed of long tail boat is 12 km per hour. Motor boat is 20 km per hour. And the speed of machine boat is 22 km per hour. Now we have understand the table. Now come to the problem. First problem, about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. Here catch of fish in 7 trips means catch of fish in 1 week. How we will do this? Yes, here catch of fish in 1 trip is given. We need to find the catch of fish in 7 trips. Let's find the quantity of fish in 7 days. How can we solve? Yes, we will use the unitary method for solving this question. We have the value of 1 trip and we are finding the value for 7 trips. In 1 trip, log boat catch 20 kg fish. So in 7 trip, 20 multiplied by 7. Next, long tail boat in 1 trip 600 kg. So in 7 trips, 600 into 7. Next, motor boat 800 kg. 800 multiplied by 7. Then machine boat 6000 kg. 6000 multiplied by 7. Okay children, I think all of you clear about this. Here we have a solution of this question. Here you can see this first column, types of boat. Next column, catch of fish in 1 trip in kg. And the last column, catch of fish in 7 trips. This is our solution column. Okay, log boat 140 kg, long tail boat 4200 kg, motor boat 5600 kg, machine boat 42,000 kg. Children, now we calculated catch of fish in 7 trips. Clear? Then second question, about how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours? About how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours? We have to find the distance here. How far means distance. Okay. Now we have to learn some important formula for solving this. Now I will show you the relationship through the formula. And you have to learn the formula. Okay. Formula. First one, speed equal to distance upon time. Second one, time is equal to distance upon speed. Third one, distance equal to speed into time. These are the three basic and very important formula which we will use to solve these questions. Okay. Once again, second question. About how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours? We have to find the distance here. How far means distance. So here in the table you have motorboat and its speed is given. This is in 1 hour motorboat is traveling 20 kilometer. So what about in 6 hour? So in 6 hour, 6 multiplied by 20, that is 120 kilometer. 120 kilometer. This is the solution. So children, here we have two methods. I will show you. See children, in mathematics subject, there is not only one solution of a question. There are many solutions. In many different ways we can solve. Okay, here question about how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours. Okay, method number 1, distance covered in 1 hour, that is given. Distance covered in 1 hour is equal to 20 kilometer. So, distance covered in 6 hours is equal to 20 multiplied by 6. That is 120 kilometer. Hence, a motorboat can go 120 kilometer in 6 hours. Clear? Method 2. In this question, given that speed is equal to 20 km per hour, time is equal to 6 hours, distance, we have to find this distance. Now, we can use that distance formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. So, speed is given, that is 20 km, and time is also given, that is 6 hours. So, distance is equal to speed into time, 20 into 6, that is 120 kilometer. Hence, a motorboat can go 120 kilometer in 6 hours. Next, C. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometer, how long will it take? This means what we have to find? Yes, we have to find the time. Method 1, time taken to travel 12 km is equal to 1 hour. That is given. Next, time taken to travel 1 km is equal to 1 divide 12. So, time taken to go 60 km is equal to 1 by 12 into 60 km. That is 60 divide 12. 60 divide 12 is 5 hours. You can divide. Hence, the long tail boat will take 5 hours to travel 60 km. Method 2. In this question, given that distance equal to 60 km, speed is equal to 12 km per hour. Time. We have to find time. Now we can use that formula. Time is equal to distance upon speed. So 60 divide 12, that is 5 hours. Hence the long tail board will take 5 hours to travel 60 kilometer. Okay children, now I hope all of you clear about this topic. Okay, thank you.